2020 Ford F150 XLT extended cab 4x4. Upgraded front bumper with 30-inch light bar, LED fog lights. Aluminum alloy wheels with good open country tires by Toyo. Tinted windows. Rear bumper protector with tow hitch trailer package. Newly added spray and bed liner. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Power driver seat adjustments. Six passengers. Power adjustable foot pedals. Auto headlights. Free 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Just over 135,000 miles. Come on, see us at AU Cars.